Today we will take a look at the spinal cord model. The spinal cord is a major part of the central nervous system carrying information between the brain and the rest of the body. This model helps us see the internal organization of the spinal cord, including the gray matter, white matter, central canal, and the spinal nerves. By studying this model, we can understand how sensory information travel into the spinal cord and how motor signals travel out to the muscles or glands. This structure is essential for communication throughout the entire body. This structure is a spinal cord segment model. The spinal cord without the vertebra. See this gray color structure, which is a gray matter, where that cell body of the neuron stays. The white part is a white matter of that spinal cord. So this is a dorsal portion, this is a ventral portion. So this one is a dorsal root ganglion. Then dorsal root is coming out from that from the dorsal horn. This is a dorsal horn of that spinal cord. This is a ventral horn. This is a lateral horn. There's a dorsal root outlet is coming from the dorsal horn. Forming here this dorsal root ganglion. Cell bodies are there. Then is coming merge with the ventral root. Merge and forming spinal nerve. So the both sides are same. So then this portion, this is a butterfly shaped structure, the gray matter, where they're connected by connecting. Then there's a you can see this canal, which is a central canal. So the bridge between this side to this side, this bridge, which is a gray commissure. In the middle of the gray commissure, you see central canal, where the CSF, cerebrospinal fluid, move through this central canal. So you see the same thing over here, dorsal root ganglion. So ventral horn. So this is a spinal nerve. So a lot of blood vessels are coming, you can see. So this one, white commissure, or that see this over here, this portion. So this one is a sulcus. Sulcus, you know, that depression. This depression in the both sides. There's a dorsal medial sulcus over here. Okay, so this is a spinal cord. This is the dorsal portion. You can identify dorsal by ventral. You can see dorsal root ganglion, you can see that. Or spinal ganglion. Then when you look at the spinal cord, this is a reflex arc, one of we can study. This is a sensory or afferent neuron coming in. Then it should be interconnected with the interneuron. Then that motor neuron is coming out, or efferent neuron coming out. So this is a part of reflex arc, afferent, interneuron, and efferent. So it's afferent or sensory neuron coming from that sensory neuron, sensory receptor, sensory neuron, then interneuron, and motor neuron or afferent neuron going to that effector, which is a glans or muscles.